Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Thursday the 6th of July and today we are going to do the following. We're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So yeah, let's get started with yesterday's trade. So the first one was this, guys, Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, and we were looking to buy this pair because we had this, let me get, my big head is in the way, I apologize, because we had this, you know, bottom of a range, like an upward trend, and, you know, price had been doing this. Okay, so structurally, we had more room up to, you know, potentially more room up to here. Yeah, even back up to these last highs here, guys. All right, so that was the trade idea, to buy this pair for that reason. Okay, and you can see, guys, at this level, we've had a real bullish push away from this level. Okay, and yeah, we liked this candle. That is a bullish candle. And although yesterday's candle was bearish, this is actually an inside candle. It is inside the previous candle. So what you'll normally find with this, it can be a continuation pattern. So price comes below this red candle, as you can see it has, and then closes back inside it. All right, so if that happens today, it's a continuation of this upward momentum. Let's drop down to the H1, guys. And to be honest with you guys, we just didn't get a setup in our grey zone, guys. Yeah, price came down into it, but none of these candles in here are telling me buyers are in control. And if I want to buy this market, I need to see buyers are in control. If anything, it was just absolute indecision, but it just slowly broke down, guys. This was an interesting candle. Okay, but all the others, guys, you know, there's nothing bullish enough for me to start entering this trade. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, you'll also see we've had quite a nice H4 candle. So I still think you could potentially buy this back up to these highs, if not those higher time frame targets we had. Okay, but yesterday, guys, back to the H1, yesterday, for those reasons, yeah, it was just breaking out of this zone, breaking down. We didn't have a trade. Also, New Zealand Swiss franc, guys, this was a trade idea. So let's take a look at this from yesterday. Here is the day chart. And a similar story, guys. It was more about this important level down here for this pair. Okay, so we had a real nice push away from this important weekly support zone. Okay, and if I zoom back in, there was this important area of support and resistance through here, and you know, the candle broke that level. Okay, so for all of those reasons, we were just trying to take price potentially back up to here or here. And again, guys, you can see we've had quite a bearish candle form yesterday. But let's look at the H1 to see if we could get in on this pair. Well, there was this candle, but this happened when I was asleep. Okay, so, you know, price finally got down to this grey zone. I mean, just look at this price again, though. Look at that, guys. Yeah, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, New Zealand Swiss franc was just choppy. And when it's choppy like this, guys, yeah, you know, you just want to stay out. However, price has come down and we've seen this candle now. But like I say, this happened when I was asleep. But I still think potentially we have room to the upside with this pair. But because of that daily candle, yeah, I'm a little reluctant, yeah, to trade it today. All right, so yeah, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, New Zealand Swiss franc, both difficult to get in, guys. So no trade. This was a good one, guys. Euro pound. All right, so if we start with the day chart, Had so many trades yesterday. So if we start with a day chart, it was all about this level here. Okay, because this is the last high. Okay, and this never broke. This area never broke. Yeah, and therefore, if it didn't break, we're still in a downtrend. So if we zoom in a little bit now, guys, let me do this. You can see this candle here never broke out of this gray zone. So we were still in a downtrend, all right? And we got this very bearish candle that we like the look of, and we were just trying to continue this bearish momentum, you know, back down to these lows. All right, and that's pretty much what happened, guys. And if we drop down to the H1, yeah, price came up to our gray zone that we have mapped out because it's these last lows in here. And we got a reaction. We got a reaction here and here, you know, to take price lower, guys. Okay. So, yeah, potential couple of candles to get in on this pair. Yeah, if you missed the first one, you know, you had the second one as well. But the first one was more bearish, guys. So, yeah, that was euro pound, came down nicely. What was the next trade? There's more. Pound US dollar was the next one. I still think this is a trade for today, guys. I really do. I know it's been hovering at this level. Okay, so if we look at the structure first of all, guys, why was I trying to short this pair? Well, it was in an uptrend. Yeah, but then it's been breaking down. Yeah, we didn't get a higher high, which is always a red flag. We got a lower high and we're getting lower lows. All right, so for me, this is in a daily downtrend right now. Okay, and then if we zoom in some more, guys, it's been about this level here, this gray zone. Yeah, what was once support over here is becoming resistance here. The problem with it is, guys, it just hasn't properly come down yet. We've had like 1, 2, 3 days of a bit of indecision, but because I like to be with day structure, I still think, you know, this is going to come down. All right. So that was the idea, to take it back down to this level. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, again, it was difficult to trade. This price, look at this price action on the H1. So, you know, we're breaking down, we're breaking down, we're breaking down. We never really get a break of these lows, and then bang, price shoots up, breaking these highs, and then price shoots down again. Yeah, so the price action in terms of the H1 was difficult to read. And it's kind of, you know, built an area here of support. So what we really need to see is a break of this level. But this will be a trade idea for today, and I'll go into it in more detail. But yesterday, again, it was difficult to trade, guys. There was this bearish candle here, but it's going into this area of support that it's shown you that it doesn't want to break. Yeah, so it was difficult, guys. There was also this candle, but, you know, look at the wick on it. So all in all, pound US dollar, yeah, we didn't trade that one, guys. And the last trade from yesterday, there was so many trades. It is gold. And I am kicking myself that I haven't got into this, but I will get into it. So the day chart, guys, let's take a look. Yeah, so the day chart was clearly in a downtrend. Okay. All right, you can see it's clearly in a downtrend. And then it come back up to this gray zone, which we just said was an interesting level. We didn't really get a super bearish reaction yet. We did yesterday, but the day before we didn't. But we just knew this was a nice area for shorts to come lower. All right, potentially back down to these lows. So structurally, it was in a nice area. in terms of value and support and resistance, it was in a nice area. Moving average 20, horizontal resistance as well, you know. And yesterday we also got this candle. Okay, so this will be a trade for today. So yeah, we were trying to short it for those reasons. If we drop down to the H1 now, guys, yeah, we got this lovely candle that rejected our gray zone. Yeah, look at that, super bearish. But the problem I had with it is, you know, if we started selling here, we're selling straight into potential support, you know, and we have to put our stop up here realistically. So it didn't quite make sense for me in terms of a trade. I mean, in hindsight, it just blew through that support, you know, and it would, and it will be a nice trade. So what I was waiting for, guys, when I saw this candle, yeah, was just a retrace, potentially a retrace, you know, back into here, here, you know, and then I could start coming shorter, because then, you know, the risk to reward back down to our first level of support makes sense. So that's why I stayed out of this pair. But today, yeah, I'm looking to short this, and I'll go into more detail on the trade ideas for today. All right, guys. So yeah, that was yesterday. Lots of trade ideas, but let's take a look at today's trades now. I hope you enjoyed the recap, guys, of the millions of trades we had yesterday. And if you did, then come join us. Everyone, please subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button, guys. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, thank you. It really helps push the video. Thank you very much. So trades for Thursday, the 6th of July. Before we get started, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, we have a free, that's right, free Discord channel. So why the hell not come and join it? Yeah, it's free Discord channel. You get access to other traders, their trade ideas, their knowledge, indicators, useful links, trading psychology. There's many things in the free Discord, guys, so come join it. The link is on our channel somewhere in the video description, I believe. Also, guys, we have VIP Discord. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, so you can ask me questions throughout the day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. You also get 2 other expert traders giving you their trade ideas as well. You get bespoke, exclusive content, guys, every week, which you won't find anywhere else. And you also get access to a performance coach and other VIP members. So come join the VIP Discord as well. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be coached or mentored by myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the information about the mentorship program, guys. All right. Yeah, drop us an email. We'll send you the information. The email is on the YouTube channel. Next, guys, we also have YouTube membership now. So if you watch these analysis vids every day, join us for the live stream, then you can show your support and join YouTube membership. It's as little as, you know, under $2 a month, but you get some cool perks, and yeah, show your support. And finally, guys, don't forget the live streams every day, 8 AM New York EST time. Yeah, come join us for that later. Get all your questions ready for me. I will be ready for you. All right, guys. So yeah, that's all the things the channel does. Let's take a look at the trades now. So today, I know I've been talking about this since Monday, but it's all about the turning of the US dollar. Okay, so the US dollar coming back into strength is what I'm seeing. It's pretty much taking all week for this turn to happen. Yeah, it's like turning a battleship. Sometimes the market, sometimes they turn very quickly and you're like, wow, how did that happen? Other times they turn like a battleship, turn like milk. Yeah, so this has been the case, and pound US dollar is a perfect example of that. So I'm still looking to short this. All right. So price, was in an uptrend, and then price didn't make higher highs. This is always a red flag, guys. If you're in an uptrend and you're not getting higher highs, trend could be changing. Yeah. And if you're in a downtrend and you're not getting lower lows, trend could be changing. Yeah. And then sure enough, price comes down. Okay. And we're getting lower lows, lower highs. Okay. And this is where we find ourselves, guys, in a downtrend. All right. So structurally, that's what we're looking at. If we then look at it's all about this level through here. So it was once good support, and now it's become good resistance. All right. And like I say, it's taken, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's taken all week, but price has never broken through this level. This level is holding. All right. And, again, I know this is not a super bearish candle, but it's bearish. And we've got these wicks, all of which are rejecting this level. All right. So for all of these reasons, I still think this pair can come down, potentially back down to these lows. Okay. So we're looking to short this pair. If we drop down to the H1 now, because this was my entry time frame. All right. And I mean, like I said in the recap, guys, this price action yesterday was disgusting. Okay. But it did find an area of support here. Okay, so I've adjusted my grey zones. All right, so what do we want to see? So a couple of things can happen. First of all, price retraces back up to these highs. Yeah. Okay, we get a bearish reaction. And when I say bearish reaction, I mean a candle on the H1 or even the H4 that tells me sellers are in control. Yeah, if you're selling, you need sellers. All right. So yeah, I'm looking for a bearish reaction, take price down to here. I'll probably take some profit and then leave some profit to run. All right, so that's the first scenario. Second scenario is this. Price breaks this grey zone, get a bit of a retrace, and then we start shorting, guys. So we can enter here, put our stop above here. Again, I'll take profit here, because this is the first level of support. I usually take 80%. Excuse my 80%. I've been drinking. And then let 20% run. All right. So yeah, this is what I want to see on pound US dollar to short it. The next pair, like I say, it's all about US dollar strength turning or weakness turning to strength. Is New Zealand US dollar as well, guys. All right. So let me remove this. Okay. So again, this is in a downtrend. All right. Okay. So ever since we got up here, price has been breaking down. Okay. So we're in a downtrend right now. Price does shoot all the way back up, but it doesn't break these last highs. Yeah. So we are still in a downtrend. We've got lower lows, yeah, lower highs. All right, simple as that. We're still in a downtrend. The idea is still to come lower. Also, guys, yeah, we got a bit of a bearish reaction yesterday. Yeah, and also this wick. Again, like the pound, this area is not breaking and keeps getting rejected. All right, so we're looking for shorts. If we drop down to the H1 now, because this is usually my entry time frame, what do I want to see? So a couple of things, guys. Yeah. So again, what I want to see is price, potentially retrace into this grey zone, and then I get a bearish reaction. Yeah. Sellers come into the market. Yeah, we can take price lower. This will be my first target in here. Yeah, because this is the first area of support. Okay, take 80% or 70, 60, whatever you like, take some profit and then leave some money to run. All right. So that's generally what I'm looking for, guys. I mean, you might also get this scenario. Maybe we don't get a bearish candle and it's just difficult to read. But then when we get a break of this grey zone, I again think we can start shorting this pair. All right, so New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we're looking to short this pair as well. And then finally, guys, we're going to look at gold. And before I look at gold, you are gold. I like to sing. But also, guys, if you could please smash that like button, guys. Yeah, if you're enjoying my morning analysis, my trade ideas, everyone smash the like button, please, right now while I have a quick drink. Thank you. And if you're new to the channel, guys, why not come join us? I give you my trade ideas every day. Come subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, guys, we've got the free Discord, VIP Discord. We've got the mentorship program. We've got YouTube membership to show your support. And we've got the live stream later on today as well. Right. The final trade is this. It is gold. You are gold. Okay. So downtrend, yeah, simple as that, guys. Yeah, we're still in a downtrend. Yeah, if you're not sure about trend, get this app. This is called Epic Pen, I think. Yeah, you can just load it up and you can draw your structure. Yeah, so it's clear to you. You can clearly identify higher lows, higher highs, etc. So use this pen, yeah, to help you plot structure, guys. Yeah, you won't be disappointed. It will make it clearer for you. Okay, so we are in a downtrend. We're back at these highs here. So the idea is to potentially come lower. All right, so we're in a downtrend. I'm probably going to move this target a little bit down to here. Okay, yeah, because this is the last daily lows. So that's my target, guys. And also look at this candle that we saw yesterday. Look at that. I mean, look at the reaction at that moving average 20. We've got moving average 20, which is resistance, and we have horizontal resistance. And as a result, look at that reaction down. Yeah. So yeah, we're looking for short, obviously. If we drop down to the H1 now, what do we want to see? So there's a real nice level here. Okay. Yeah, you can see price has reacted historically at this level. Okay. So we've got a nice level here. What I want to see is a bearish reaction at this level. Once I see that, we can enter the trade and look to take price back down to here. Okay, even potentially here, first of all. Okay, maybe here. All right. If that doesn't happen, guys, price could retrace back up to these last highs. That is not unheard of. Yeah, and again, if it does, we're just looking for a bearish reaction. I enter, I'll take price down to here, take some profit, and then leave some profit on the trade. All right, guys. So yeah, it's about that, you know, that US dollar turning today and coming back into strength. So let's see what happens. All right, guys. If you've enjoyed my trade ideas, smash the like button. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 6th of July, guys. It's all about US dollar data later in the day, all right? So, yeah, that could have a real impact on that US dollar strength I was talking about. So, yeah, news, nothing overnight, guys, and pretty much nothing in the morning. It's not until the afternoon that things go a bit crazy. Yeah, so from 1:15 London GMT time onwards, we just got US data galore. So first of all, we got ADP non-farm employment. Okay, this is going to move the US dollar. Yeah, 15 minutes later at 1:30, we've got initial jobless claims, again, coming out of the US. So must be aware of that. If we carry on down at 2:45, we've got services PMI, again, coming out of the US. And at 3 o'clock, we've got ISM non-manufacturing PMI coming out at 3 o'clock. And at the same time, we've got job openings as well. And finally, at 4 o'clock, we've also got crude oil inventory. So lots of US dollar data, but this crude oil inventories will also impact Canadian dollar and oil, obviously. All right. And then after that, guys, no other news to speak of. All right. So, yeah, all about the US dollar today in terms of my trade ideas and the news. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. If you have, everyone, please smash that like button. Come join us for the live stream today at 8 a.m. New York EST. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later.